I found 15 websites that you can start using to make easy money from home every single day. And the best part is that all of these websites require no experience and are completely free to start, and some of the last few on the list can make you over 6 figures per year. SurveySavvy is an online market research platform that offers paid surveys to its members. Users can sign up and participate in surveys to share their opinions and feedback on various products and services. In return, members have the opportunity to earn cash rewards or other incentives. SurveySavvy has a long-standing reputation as a reliable survey site and is available in multiple countries. You can earn $15 per month or about $180 per year. Prolific is an online platform connecting researchers with participants for academic studies. Researchers can design studies, while participants earn rewards for their participation. Prolific ensures high-quality data and fair compensation, making it a preferred choice for research projects. You can earn $6 to $12 per hour. Webull is an online brokerage platform that provides commission-free trading for stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It offers a user-friendly interface with advanced trading tools and features, including real-time market data, customizable charts, and technical indicators. Webull also provides access to research and educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. You can earn $36,000. Validately is an online platform that facilitates user testing and research for digital products and designs. It enables businesses and researchers to gather valuable user feedback through usability testing, remote interviews, and surveys. Validately offers a range of tools and features to create and manage user research studies, recruit participants, and analyze the collected data. You can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $40 per month. Listverse.com is a popular website that publishes curated lists on a wide range of topics, including history, science, and entertainment. It offers engaging and informative content presented in a list format, making it a favorite destination for readers. Visit listverse.com to explore their diverse collection of lists. If you wrote a new list every single day and each one got accepted, you could make as much as $700 per week. Freecash is a website where users can earn money by testing games, websites, taking surveys, and signing up for free services. It provides various tasks that can be completed without having to buy or pay for anything. Users have the potential to earn up to $162 per offer, with active users reportedly earning over $1,000 per month, making it a platform with significant earning potential. Clarity.fm is an online platform that connects entrepreneurs, experts, and professionals for consulting and advisory services. It allows individuals to seek advice from industry experts and schedule paid phone calls for specific topics or areas of expertise. You can sign up for Clarity and start making some easy money from the comfort of your home now. There are people making anywhere between $100 and $300 per hour using this website, but according to the website, userfield.com is a user testing platform that helps businesses and designers gather valuable feedback on their websites, apps, and prototypes. It allows companies to create tasks and target specific demographics for user testing, and participants provide their insights by completing assigned tasks while recording their screen and voice. Userfield provides a streamlined process for user testing, helping businesses improve their user experience and make informed design decisions. You can earn $10 for 20 minutes. taskrabba.com is an online marketplace that connects individuals and businesses with local service providers for various tasks and errands. Users can post tasks they need assistance with, such as home repairs, cleaning, moving, or personal assistance, and taskers in their area can offer their services. You can earn $25 to $50 per hour. Hipcamp is an online platform that connects people with unique camping and outdoor experiences. Hipcamp.com provides an opportunity for nature enthusiasts to discover and enjoy diverse camping options while supporting landowners who offer their properties for outdoor enthusiasts to experience. Homeowners are making some pretty good money. In fact, the average host pulls in between $8,000 and $15,000 per year by renting out their backyard to campers. alignsupply.com is a website that facilitates the selling of authorized user trade lines. The website acts as a reputable trade line broker, making it easy for individuals to get started and earn monthly earnings ranging from $50 to $350 per authorized user, depending on the age of the credit card. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again very soon.